What's up guys, my name is Victor and welcome back to the Open Code. So today we're going to be talking about how to inject view models, like an Android view model, using Koin into our main activity. So say you have a main activity that talks to a view model and then the view model does some work or does some fancy computation. What you want to do is be able to have a reference to that view model from within your activity, but you can't just create an instance of your view model if it has dependencies. So Koin provides an easy way for you to do that. So let's go ahead and take a look. So in here, let's continue and we can define a main view model that takes a school course, a friend, and is of type view model. So the view model just has one function called perform action. In our activity, we want to be able to get a reference to that. So we have to tell Koin how to create the instance of this view model. So similar to the last time, we would need to come into our modules file. And let's go ahead and create another variable in here called the viewmodel module. And this module is where we're going to specify all our dependencies for our view model. Dependency we have is the main view model, and similar to last time, we have to scope it. But rather than scoping it to a single or a factory, Koin provides its own keyword for view models. So for that, we can just say view model, and it would just create the instance of the view model. But notice our view model in here also has two dependencies of its own, school course and a friend. But because we've told Koin how to create those dependencies in here, school course and friend, we can just go ahead and say get, and Koin is just going to retrieve those dependencies whenever it needs them. So now in our application class, we have to tell Koin about this view model module that we just added. So rather than just having this app module, we can also add in a view model module. So we've told Koin how to create those dependencies by using this view model function and providing our view model, and we've told Koin about them by using this view model variable. So now that we have all that set up, we just need to go back into our activity class, get the instance of our view model, and call perform action on it. So similar to the way we did it here, we just say val view model, and we can just call get main view model, and in here view model dot perform action. And let's go ahead and set a breakpoint in here to make sure that's working properly. Installing, launching. So step into this and it says, hey, I created the main view model at memory location 5024. So it's working properly. So the last thing I wanted to talk about is lazy dependency injection. So what if you don't know when you're going to need this main view model? So say you have a function fun do something and you don't know when this is going to get called. So what you can do is lazily inject the main view model by using the inject function keyword. We can say val view model by inject, and we can specify that we want to inject the main view model. And so rather than doing this, we can just in here say view model dot perform action, and it's going to lazily inject this view model, and we can also just call this do something function. So whenever we call this do something function, at that point, that's when it's going to inject this main view model. So let's go ahead and run that, make sure it's working properly. So if you notice in here, the value of the view model is uninitialized, so it hasn't been created yet. But once we step into this, it says now it's main view model at memory location 5040. So that means the view model was injected lazily. It was only injected when we needed it. And that's exactly what we wanted. So this works for other things as well. So say we wanted to lazily inject the student 2. So we can do the same thing. So rather than saying get, we would say by inject. And then each time we need student 2, it's also going to lazily inject it. So that's it for this one, guys. Today we set up dependency injection for our view models with Koin, as well as how to use lazy dependency injection with Koin. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!